15 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 15. 99% of people who solve it wrong do it like this. They say 15 divided by 15 is 1, again 15 divided by 15 is 1, and finally 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is completely wrong because they don't follow the order of operations, which we call PEMDAS. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. This channel is for smart people. If you're smart, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the correct way to solve this problem. Since the expression only contains division, we have to work from left to right. First, we divide 15 by 15, which gives us 1. So the expression becomes 1 divided by 15 divided by 15. Next, we do 1 divided by 15, which equals 1/15. Now the expression becomes 1/15 divided by 15. At this point, we apply the KCF rule. When we reach a point where we have a fraction divided by a whole number, we use the KCF rule. KCF stands for keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction exactly as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second number to its reciprocal. Then we simply multiply the numerators and denominators to get the final answer. According to the KCF rule, we keep the first term as it is, so we write 1/15. In the second step, we change the division sign to multiplication. In the third step, we flip the second term. The reciprocal of 15 is 1/15. So we get 1/15 times 1/15, which equals 1/225. If you enjoy these kinds of math challenges, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.